I took my acrylics off yesterday and my nails are so weak. So never gonna do that again. Hey guys, Vanessa here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video because I'm gonna be doing another unboxing. All right, before we get started with this video, if you do like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. All right, so I'm gonna be talking about this company called Grove. It's an online store and they sell household products, cleaning products, personal care products, baby stuff, pet stuff. This is my first box ever. I'm so excited for cleaning products now that I'm an adult, and I got some really good stuff and I'm so excited to use them and show you guys. So all right, so let's get started. This big box down. And what's so cool about Grove Collaborative is that they give you free stuff on your first order. All you have to do is spend $20, I believe, and they give you like $45 worth of free stuff, and it's super good stuff. By the way, I did purchase all of this on my own with my own money. Let me show you the products that I purchased, and then I'll show you the free items that were given to me. Okay, so first thing I purchased is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Aromatherapeutic Household Product, and this is a room freshener. The scent honeysuckle, and I'm so excited to use this. This is a non-aerosol and it's made with essential oils. I paid, I believe, about $4.99 for this bottle. And what's cool again about Grove Collaborative is that you do get some sort of discount with them. This smells really nice, so I'm excited to use this. You're gonna notice like some cohesiveness when it comes to these products. Okay, the next thing that I bought was a Mrs. Meyer's, again, Clean Day Daily Bar Soap in the scent honeysuckle. So it looks like this right here. So this is just a bar of soap, and I love the way honeysuckle smells. I've been using bar soaps for about a year now. Last year I made the transition and I purchased the Lush Shampoo Bar, and I love it so much, and I still have it. Like, it looks pretty new. So yeah, so now I use bar soaps and I really love them. So I got this one, and this, I believe I got it for $3.89. So it was 10 cents cheaper than the stores because I did my research. So I got that. So the last thing that I purchased with my own money, I'm so excited that Grove had it because I've been looking for something like this on Amazon and other websites, and I never really wanted to purchase it from them. So when I saw that Grove carried it, I was so happy. Added to my cart right away, and it is the Bubble Up Soap Dispenser and Dish Brush Set. And it looks like this here. This is the box. I'm so excited to use this. So this is the Bubble Up Soap Dispenser, and it comes with a bamboo brush, and it's this right here. So this is just to scrub your pots, pans, and dishes. And in this little dish, it has like a spring with some holes in it. So what you do essentially is put your soap in here, and then you put this right on top, add a little bit of water, and you just pump it, and it starts foaming up and dispensing the soap onto your brush, and that way you use less soap. And it just stores neatly on your kitchen sink, and I think this is so cute. I'm so in love with this, so excited to use it. And this was $12.95. So yeah, this whole thing was $12.95. And then once this brush gets unusable, you can replace it, and the brushes are about $6. So it's such a good deal. So yeah, that's what I got. Okay, so now for the free stuff, and you're gonna freak out because, like I said, this is such amazing stuff, and I can't believe it was free. All right, so let's start off with the first item that I see here, and these are the Grove Collaborative, because they have their own brand, Grove Collaborative. They're the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges, and this is a 2-pack, and they're these right here. So these are non-abrasive, perfect for cookware, glassware, countertops, and appliances. Top rack dishwasher safe. And I believe these were recycled. Oh, these were made from renewable plant materials. So yeah, this is such a cool thing to get for free. And I believe these are $2.95 for the 2-pack, which is a good deal. So yeah, that was the first thing that I got for free. This is Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Dish Soap in the scent honeysuckle. And you can tell that I'm a little obsessed with Mrs. Meyer's and in the honeysuckle scent. I actually already own this dish soap and I love it. I love it. Like I said, the scent is amazing. Mrs. Meyer's has way more other scents. They have like a mint, they have a basil, they have a peony, they have lavender, but I smelled this one and I fell in love with it. So I have a backup here and this was for free. Okay, so another cool thing that was for free is the Grove Collaborative 16-ounce spray bottle. It's such good quality and it's so cute. So this is a glass spray bottle and it comes with a protective silicone sleeve at the bottom. So when you're placing it on your countertops, it doesn't shatter. And this actually pairs with a glass cleaner concentrate, and it's this right here. So what you do with this is that you pour the entire little packet into your bottle and you fill it up with water and you shake it and you're good to go. You can purchase these individually and I believe it's $6 for a 2-pack. And so yeah, I'm so excited to use these and so cute. So this was also for free. So this is another free item and it's a little cleaning caddy and you can choose your color. They have white, they have like a floral one, a matte white and a matte gray. So I got the matte gray. And it's just so you can put all your items in there. So let me just show you. So like you just put that, you can put your spray bottle, your dish soap, and you can carry it around and you can start cleaning your apartment / house, whatever you have. So this was also for free. And I believe this little pill is $15 on their website. You can purchase it as well. All right, so we're down to the last 2 items. And I received the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner in the scent, you guessed it, honeysuckle. So this is it right here. I am so excited to use the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products because they use essential oils and it's 98% natural. So yeah, and the scent again is so nice. So I would really recommend the honeysuckle scent. Very nice, very excited to use this. And the last thing, again, so excited for, is the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap in the scent honeysuckle. If you know me, I love washing my hands. I don't like my hands feeling dirty or grimy or sticky. So love this scent. So I'm so excited to keep this on my kitchen sink and I want to buy another one for my bathroom. So yeah, I'm so excited. This is made with olive oil and aloe vera. So yeah, you guys, that's it for my box. I got a bunch of stuff. Let me just tell you a little bit more about Grove Collaborative. They do have a yearly subscription for $20. And with that subscription, they send you more free gifts, promos, free shipping all year long. If you're interested, I do have a referral link down in the description box below. Check it out. You won't regret it. I love the fact that your cleaning products can be sent to you by mail instead of trying to remember them at your grocery store the next time you go shopping. They have a lot of products at great prices versus Target or Walmart. So I recommend you check it out. So yeah, that's it for my video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that like button. I would really appreciate it and I will see you next time. Bye guys.